We think a lot about water and the damage it can do to steel-reinforced concrete substrates. Rather than using toxic chemicals to protect against moisture damage, we use safe ingredients found in nature. Now you may be thinking, what an innovative new idea. But we've been doing it since 2002. We are International Chem-Crete, and we'd like to show you Chem-Crete Pavix, the world's most advanced, patented concrete waterproofing technology. Worldwide, reinforced concrete is used to pave roads, bridges, and countless other structures. While reinforced concrete is an amazing pavement system, its main enemy comes in the form of water and water-soluble salts. When viewed at a distance, concrete looks like a solid, impenetrable material. But when viewed under magnification, that is not the case. Microcracks, shrinkage cracks, and air pockets allow water and corrosive salts to penetrate the surface of the concrete and saturate the concrete pavement. Once the concrete is saturated, the water inside the voids freezes, expands, and cracks the concrete, destroying it from the inside out. While corrosive chemicals such as oil and road salts begin to eat away the pavement, leading to irreversible damage. In addition, when water penetrates pavement, once it saturates embedded structural steel, the steel corrodes, expands, and causes further deterioration. The list of common moisture-associated problems in concrete pavement is long, and the problems can be devastating. Here's how a single application of Pavix prolongs the life of concrete pavements. Pavix is simply applied in one step to the surface of the concrete. It is colorless, odorless, and non-toxic. Some of the chemicals react with carbon dioxide at the surface to produce an invisible and insoluble water repellent. The product uses two kinds of little tiny crystals, which come from the stems and skins of grapes. The first kind of crystal is hygroscopic. These crystals grow and crawl towards a moisture source. The second are hydrophilic crystals, which absorb water and swell up to 16 times their size, filling up the voids in the concrete. When moisture tries to enter the Pavix-treated sample, the active crystals go to work. Hydrophilic and hygroscopic crystals expand when they get wet, sucking up the moisture. As they absorb the moisture, they expand and move towards the water source, sealing off the voids, preventing moisture from getting deeper into the pavement. This protects the concrete from deterioration and prevents water and salts from contacting the reinforcing steel. Once the moisture source stops, the water is not trapped in the pavement. It evaporates and the crystals return to their original size, allowing the concrete to breathe and dry. Because water is never allowed to penetrate deeply into the pavement, freeze-thawed damage is minimized as the ice simply forms on the surface and melts. Pavix is environmentally friendly as it is non-toxic, non-flammable, solvent-free, water-based, and odor-free. Pavix has been used throughout the world in both fresh and coastal saltwater regions. To date, we have sold over 1 million gallons. A single application lasts for the life of the pavement. The product is resistant to most harsh chemicals and is unaffected by humidity, ultraviolet light, and oxidation. Chem-Crete Pavix can be used on cast-in-place concrete, post-tension concrete, bridge decks, beams, and airport runways. For more information, visit us online at chem-crete.com.